Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to continue chapter 4, States of Matter. In this video, I am going to explain you about the properties of solid, liquid and gas. So let us know about the properties of state of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. So dear students, the property like safe. As in the previous video I explained you about that solid have fixed safe, dear student. Fixed safe. Solid have fixed safe. As you see this shop have fixed shape. Duster, table, bench, water bottle, mobile phone, stand have the fixed shape. Reason behind it is solid. All the solid substance have fixed shape. Reason behind atoms are closely packed. Liquid have no fixed shape, dear student. For an example, water you pour in glass. Now water will take the shape of the container. Now you pour water in jug. Now water will take the shape of the jug. So liquid have no fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Take shape of container. Gases, no shape. No fixed shape. So dear student, shape property we understood it. Solid have fixed shape. As brick, stone, table, bench, chair, chalk, all have fixed shape. Reason behind in solid atoms are closely packed, and due to that solid have fixed shape. Whereas liquid have no fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Whereas gases, no fixed shape. Next property, volume. What do you mean by the volume? Space occupied by a body. So, solid used to have fixed volume. Solid have fixed volume. Solid have fixed volume. For example, just to understand it, this chalk, when you keep it on the palm, it will occupy space. Same space it will be occupied on the table, on the chair, on the floor, on the bed. So solid have fixed volume, whereas liquid have also fixed volume. Means liquid also occupy same space. Either you keep in bottle, either you keep in jug, either in any container. It will occupy same space. Space occupied by a body is known as its volume, dear student. So solid and liquid have fixed volume, whereas gases have no fixed volume. No fixed volume, dear student. Third is space between the molecules. In the solid, the space between the molecule is negligible. Dear student, in the previous video I explained you there is no space between the two atoms of solid. So there is no space, or you can say negligible space between the atom of solid. Here in the liquid, some space. Some space is there between the atom of liquid. Whereas in the gases, lot of space. Lot of space between the atoms of liquid, dear student. So, in the solid, the space between the two atoms negligible, whereas in the liquid some space is there, whereas in the gas lot of the space. Next property, attraction between the molecules. In the solid, the attraction force is very strong. Intermolecular force. Dear student, intermolecular force. What do you mean by the intermolecular force? The force with which two atoms attract each other, known as a intermolecular force. So, in solid, intermolecular force is very strong. Very strong, dear student. Whereas in the liquid, less stronger than the solid. Not so strong. And here in the gas, very weak. The attraction force between the molecule of the gases is so weak. Lot of the space between the two atoms of gases. So, the attraction force in the solid very strong. In liquid, as there is space, not so strong like the solid. In the gases, as there is a lot of the space, so the attraction force is very weak. Next property, movement of the molecules. In solid, molecule vibrate. At their fixed position. Dear student, as you know that in solid, atoms are closely packed or tightly packed, so there is no movement. At their fixed position only, they used to vibrate, and there is no movement because atoms are closely packed. So, vibrate at their fixed position, dear student. Whereas in the liquid, movement within liquid. Movement of the atom within the liquid. As you know, liquid can move, or the atoms can move in liquid because lot of the space is there in compared to the solid. So, movement within the liquid. Whereas in the gases, molecules or the atom can move in almost in all direction. Movement in all direction. So dear students, in solid, atom vibrate at their fixed position. What is the reason? Because atoms are closely packed or tightly packed, so there is no movement. At their fixed point only they can vibrate. Whereas in the liquid, there is space between the two atoms, so they can move within the liquid. Gases, direction, dear student. So these are the property of solid, liquid and gas: shape, volume, space, attraction and movement of the molecule. So dear student, please you read the topic and learn about the property of solid, liquid and gas. Thank you dear student.